Okay, you saw jubilant scenes in the stadium. We're right outside the Dubai International Stadium and the party has not stopped. With me, Mohit, a friend of mine, and with him, his group of fans. They were screaming their lungs out in the stadium. Is that energy still there?
We got Kohli! 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 We got Kohli!
I want to know what happens to Virat when he sees a Pakistani jersey in the opposition.
It's in preparation. Yeah. It's a mindset. Yeah. He sees he's a showman. He's a top man. Top man needs a top environment, top situation, top conditions. When he sees this is a moment. I mean, he's been always like this. Whenever it's an ask of such an great game, he's always right on the top. It's not because of just an ordinary cricket game. He understands this game is for a top people, and top man has to perform. So that's Virat Kohli for you. Anytime or every time, whenever he plays against Pakistan, he knows there's a hype, and he's a showman. So
it's a big game man, you know. He's a big game man.
He plays for the big game.
Yeah, obviously. You saw the T20 World Cup final. You saw the inning in Australia, Melbourne. You saw the inning here today.
Exactly the preparation.
Yeah.
Yesterday in the morning, he was the first one who came to the net. He knows there's a big game. He came at 10:45. He was the last man to leave the net.
Exactly.
Team was there for 4 hours. He started early. He left late. Every bit of practice he have done, he didn't leave anything. He was right there. The mindset was there. The hungerness was there for the big game.
Okay. Was this a contest or was this a no contest?
I would say it was a contest, but Virat Kohli made it look like no contest. It was a contest.
But did you guys get your money's worth?
Yeah, obviously. I mean, like in India-Pakistan game is always a contest. Yeah. Even if we win one-sided, it's always a contest. You know, that the kind of atmosphere we have inside, it's amazing.
Yeah. So I mean, see, it's a very very big game for us. Why? Because a lot of situations, conditions, and what goes back in India, back in Pakistan, a lot of emotions are there. Yeah. So there's a lot of hype that goes into this game. It's a cricket, but again, somewhere in our heart, we know how badly we need to win. So that this is one of those games. Of course, century by a top man, and Rohit Sharma smashing initially, and then Shubman Gill, those shots on the cover drive and the straight drive. What else you want? Sunday evening in Dubai, that's the best thing you want.
That is, it's made that Sunday. Come guys, I've got a few Pakistani fans as well. We want all perspective, don't worry.
Yeah.
Come on, it's a game.
He's gonna interrupt me, so I'm
just... No, don't interrupt him. Don't interrupt him.
He already interrupted me once, so I'm gonna...
No.
You were talking about ICC giving benefit to India. No, why will I do? Why did I do that?
I'm answering his question, but I just said don't interrupt me, right? Like it's fine.
Then you poke me.
Okay, no problem. Let's talk about cricket. What happened today?
Lack of planning. Pakistan had 7 batsmen, 4 bowlers. India had 6 bowlers and 8 batsmen.
6 bowlers.
And 8 batsmen, 6 bowlers. That's one of the. And then the other thing is professionalism. India has it. Kohli has it. All the other players have it. Whereas there's no professionalism. Seems like Imam. He must be watching TV, at home.
And they called him up.
And then he called them up, and he's playing the next game. Typically what happens is that you find within the 15, and then you make that someone as an opener, right? So you can't have someone coming from the bench and play one of the.
Who's just coming.
But let me say one thing, right? Any team that is 5th bowler is Khushdil, they cannot win.
Yeah.
Khushdil is a 5th bowler. He's not even a part-time bowler.
I agree. But would you say that the gap between India and Pakistan has increased a lot?
There's a lot. It's a professionalism,
no,
right?
But if Sam and Fakhar was playing, then it would be a different team. Batting would be different at that point.
No. Can I say something? I mean, yes and no. The gap on paper, yes.